Alright, YouTubers, gonna cook some breakfast. And I have a problem on this trip. I forgot something. I don't know if I left it in a bag or if it was not in a bag I thought it was, but I don't have any butter and or olive oil, so I got nothing. So we're gonna see if we can do this without burning. Alright, we're gonna turn this on low, and I got some O'Brien potatoes. And all I'm going to try to do, because of that, is to cook very slowly and do a lot of stirring. And I have some silly ideas. I got sriracha. Of course, it's always in the RV. So that gives me some liquid. Maybe it won't burn too bad. And I got lime juice, if it comes down to that. But we're going to stir these around and just keep them moving. I do also have some cheese. And this is the new thrift store pan that I have. So we're going to cook those potatoes. I'm not going to make you watch it all. If it burns, I'll be honest. I'll tell you that it burns because as a certified idiot, you know, sometimes you forget things. And the best thing to do is just try to figure it out. Because I'm not really in the mood of unhooking and driving somewhere to get butter or olive oil. So, I'm going to try this a couple days without it. See how it turns out. Alright, sticking a little, even on low. We'll do some sriracha. There's some liquid. Man, I never forget that stuff, but I did. Alright. Okay, I turned it up to medium, and obviously it burned pretty quick. Not burned, but stuck. I got some cheese. I'm going to actually do some of the lime juice. Again, not my first choice, but it's liquidy. A bit more sriracha. Could turn out interesting. These actually aren't too far off. So, give it a little bit longer, not much. When do you realize how important butter and olive oil are? When you don't have any. I guess I could steam it, right? Okay, here we go. 1 egg. 2 egg. Turn it up. And scramble it right in the pan. Turn it up a little bit. Is this how you would do it? Maybe not. Is this how I usually do it? No. Turn it back down. We got some cheese. And put some Colby Jack in it. Vinny, no. Get down. Come on, dude. Come on, there's a whole RV. All 8 feet of it. 8 feet, right? Dude, you can't come up here. I fed you. You have food. Here's more food. Because you're not happy if you're not eating. Go eat. You're killing me, dude. That's an eggs potato mash. Smells really good. Some more sriracha will fix it. And I did remember pepper. I'm a pepper fan. See? You can cook totally wrong without butter and olive oil. And hopefully you turn it into something edible. I probably should have used them Copper Chef pans. What was I thinking? Alright, turn it down low. Now my situation is I like my eggs a little bit done. Runny eggs are not my friend. So we turn it up real quick and then we turn it down. A little more sriracha, we're almost there. Pepper. Alright. Turn it off. It's definitely cooked. So it's possible. I guess it's going to show how fun cleanup can be. Okay, there we go. I am lazy and conserving, so I'm going to eat it right out of the pan. Give you a flyover. Alright. There we go. This will fuel me for some hikes today. Have a great and wonderful day. That's pretty good. So step one in cleaning up this mess is I put some water in it, and we're just going to get it hot, and I can get rid of it, and then we'll wash stuff. Alright, as you can see, that's boiling. And we're going to get some of it off of there. Okay, that's enough. We've gotten a lot of that out of there. Get what we can. Cleanup would be a lot easier if the traveling doofus had brought some damn butter. And we have a coffee pot, right? Here RV's got a coffee pot. We're hooked up to power here, as I described. How do you heat up water to do dishes? You use your coffee pot. Or, I could have boiled enough water in there. We'll start the coffee pot, and that's how we'll wash. Have a great and wonderful day.